Now let us start with the Inorder traversal. In the Inorder traversal, as I have already told you, Inorder traversal is L, V and then R. That means first you will come to the left child. After you are done with the left child, then you will visit the node. That means you will work on that node and then you will visit the right child of the node. So again, in this traversal, you start with the root of the tree. L, V, R. Now, L, that is left child. So as soon as you come to a node, you will come to the left child of the node. That is 2. Again, you apply L, V, R on 2. L means left child of 2. That is 4. Again, when you come to 4, again you apply LVR on 4. L means left child of 4. That is 8 over here. So again you apply LVR on 8. L, left child of 8. Now when you come to the left child of 8, that is null. So we go back to 8, and since we are done with the left child of 8, we visit 8. That means we display 8. For us, visit means to display. So you display the value of 8. Once you are done with displaying the value of 8, you come to the right child of 8. Right child of 8 is also null. So we are done with 8. We go back to 4. Now if you look at the tree, you have already worked on the left child of 4. Now once you have worked on the left child of 4, you come back to 4 and you visit 4. That means you display the value of 4. Now after displaying the value of 4, you come to right child of 4. Right child of 4 over here is null. So you have nothing to work on. Since you are done with LVR of 4, you go back to 2. You have worked. Now if you look at the tree, you have worked with the total left subtree of 2. Left subtree of 2 is done. So you come to visit. So that means you display the value of 2. After displaying the value of 2, you start your work with the right subtree of 2. So you come to the right hand side of 2. And again you apply LVR on right hand side of 2. L of 5, that is left subtree of 5, is null. So you have nothing to do over here. After that, visit. That means you display the value of 5. And after that, you come to the right hand side of 5, which is also null. As soon as you are done with 5, you go back to 2 again. You are done with 2, so you go back to 1. Now you see the whole left hand side of 1 is complete. So what do? You visit 1. That means you display the value of 1. And then you come to the right hand side. Right hand side of 1 is 3. So again you apply LVR on 3. L, left side of 3, that is 6. Again you apply LVR on 6. L of 6 is 7. Again you apply LVR on 7. L, left side of 7. Left side of 7 is null. So once you get left side of 7 is null, you go back to 7 and you visit it. So that means you display the value of 7. After displaying the value of 7, you come to the right hand side of 7. That is 9, and apply LVR on 9. L, left subtree of 9, that is null. V, that means visiting the value. and then the right subtree of 9, which is also null. After you are done with 9, you go back to 7. LVR on 7 is done, so you go back to 6. Now when you come to 6, you have only completed the left child or left subtree of 6. You are left with the visiting of 6. So you visit the value of 6 and then you come to the right hand side. Right hand side of 6 is null. So you have nothing to work on the right hand side of 6. So you go back to 3. Now we were working on the left side of 3. So what do you do? After this you visit 3. So that means you display the value of 3. After visiting, you come to the right hand side of 3. Right hand side of 3 is null. So over here you have nothing to do. So once you are done with LVR of 3, you go back to 1 and we are already done with 1. So you see, this is the in-order traversal of this tree.